Okay, folks, remember, in this one it says make a box and whisker plot of the data. We need to be able to list these numbers from least to greatest, and then we also need to be able to find their medians. And remember a couple of things with medians. Median is the middle number, okay? So it's easy to find a median if I have an odd number of items, okay? Let's say I have 11. That's an odd number. That means I got 5 on one side, 5 on the other, and then I have a number in the middle. If I have an even number, then I have to average the two numbers on either side of the middle. So for instance, if I had 10 numbers, I'd have to average the 5th and the 6th to find the median. Okay, so that's something to remember. All right, now let's look at number 18 here. I need to go from least to greatest, and I think the smallest number I see is 50. Okay, oh, let's see, I'm going to write 50 right here. All right, so that one's done. 55, 54, 53. Okay, 53 is the next smallest number. 54 is the next smallest. 55, thank you. 55, 57, 60, then 61, 65, 66, and 68. Oh, okay. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10, which means I need 5 on one side. Remember, I basically need 5 numbers for a box and whisker plot. I need the extremes, or the lower bound, the smallest number, and the biggest number. I need the middle number. All right, so I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need this number here, the average between 57 and 60. So that's going to be 58.5 when I average them, right? They're 3 apart, so that means 1.5 from either the bottom or the top number. All right, then I've got 5 numbers. Remember, these don't get taken out just because they were used to make the average. They stay in their groups. There's the lower group here and the upper group here. All right, and my middle numbers are 54 and 65. So if I were going to do this box and whisker, I'd make my number line go probably from about 40 to 100. We'll make this 40, make this 100. That means that this is 70. This is, okay, let's see, like that. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, something like that would be fine. You don't have to get this exactly the same every person. Okay? So the lower extreme is 50. The upper extreme is 68. Okay. My number line's a little longer than I needed it to be. Then 54, which is going to be about right here. 58.5, that's about right here. 65, and then 68. Okay, so I draw my line through it, and remember the box covers the second and third quartile, and I need to label these things. So that's 54, 58.5, and then 65. All right. Okay. Well done, gentlemen. It looks like those numbers are pretty well spread out. Okay. And I'm ready for number 19. Nice job.